Yorana o muino to ui ua no teiti mai yo e aha to ui huru, mai te? Yorana ya ue ite imhana. Hello, it's Muino. How are you today? Good? I'm from Polylingual Rio Teiti. Do you know how to say, what is the day today in Tahitian? This is what you're gonna learn today. But before we dive into our lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the like bell below to get notifications as I will be posting a new video each week. Are you ready to learn? Let's do this. To say what time it is in Tahitian, we say, e aha te horai te yene. Or we can say, horaha te yene. In Tahitian, telling the time is more specific than many other Pacific languages. We have multiple ways to tell the time in Tahitian. 1. Minutes to the hour are expressed by the word toe, which means remaining. For example, it's 10 minutes to 5. E ahuru minuti toe e horape. Second, minutes past the hour are expressed by the word mairi, which means elapse. For example, it's 10 minutes past 5. E horape mairi e ahuru minuti. At Polylingual Reo Teiti, we teach you all the different ways to tell the time in Tahitian, so feel free to check out our online courses. Now it's my turn to ask you, what time is it? E aha te horai te yene? Comment down below the time right now. Good luck! Awhai ito! That's it for today. I hope you guys learned a lot. If you want to learn more about the Tahitian language, more about the Reo Teiti, check out our website polylingual.com, where you can learn so much about the Tahitian language at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. I'll see you guys next week. Te raya hoa herema, maruru meit e ite wharo rame, ia meit e oto ite imhana. Parhei, nana!